This video will deal with drawing a parabola from stipulations that we are given. And here they are. Find an equation for a horizontal parabola with a vertex of -2, 3, and one endpoint of the lattice rectum at 6, -13. Now, first, since it's a horizontal parabola and we have our vertex at -2, 3, we know that the axis of symmetry will be at y equals 3. So also let's draw our vertex, -2, 3. Now, next thing, since the lattice rectum is at 6, -13, and we know it's a horizontal parabola, we know that the focus is going to be here, x equals 6, and then the same y coordinate as the vertex. So that is going to be 6, 3. From there, we're going to do this in green. It is 8 units from the vertex to the focus, so that's 8, meaning that is also 8 units backwards to the directrix. So that will be at x equals -10. Now from here, remember, a parabola is the locus of points that are equidistant from a directrix right here and a focus right there. So that is 8 and 8, so that's 16. So the lattice rectum will go 16 that way and 16 that way. And we know that also from the fact that one of the endpoints is 6, -13. I chose to go the one way attacking it. You could go the other way. I chose to attack it from 8 and 8, and then we go that way. You could also attack it from this way, that is 6, -13. So then we would know that this is 16 this way, and then another 16 this way for the lattice rectum, putting us at 6, 19. So we've got our points. We've got our vertex, our directrix, focus, ends of the lattice rectum. So now let us draw our parabola, and there we go. Now the next thing to remember for our equation for the parabola, as a conic, it's either x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k, or for this parabola, since it's horizontal, y minus k squared equals 4p x minus h, where h and k are the coordinates of the vertex. So now in this case, the vertex coordinate is -2, 3, and p is either the distance from the directrix to the vertex or from the vertex to the focus, equals 8. So for our parabola here, y minus 3 squared equals 4 times 8, which is 32, x plus 2. And now we're going to switch over to Desmos to put it in there to check our answer. And now here we are on Desmos, and here's the parabola drawn here. Axis of symmetry is at y equals 3. Lattice rectum is at x equals 6. So we can see now that we have our vertex at -2, 3, our directrix at 6, 3, one end of the lattice rectum at 6, 19, and the other end at 6, -13. And that is our parabola, and we are done.